It's your boy Rambo, and I'm back with another video. I just wanted to tell you guys, yesterday I picked up a new engine management for the car, the Corolla. It's right there behind me. I'm gonna get to show you guys. It's something I've been wanting for a long time. You know, the car needs it. It's been running on the stock ECU for a while, so I really needed this engine management. You know, get the car reliable, running right. I don't want it to blow up on me. Many of you guys know it's a stock block, stock top end. The engine's just stock. I just boosted it. You know, don't want to hurt it, so we're gonna get it tuned, get it right, get it reliable. I was gonna finish the chrome delete. I did the sides already. I was gonna do the chrome delete on the front end, but it's raining outside. I was gonna put that in the video, but kind of ruined my plans. Maybe for another video, if you guys want to see that, finish the chrome delete on the cord and the daily. But you guys, just get back to the engine man. Listen guys, the ECU is right here behind me. Probably gonna unbox it for you guys right now. Show you guys everything that comes in the package. Let's get into it. Here guys, here's the packaging of the ECU. It's called a Maxxecu. You know, I didn't go with anything, you know, high end, because the car, you know, it's not a fucking race car. I just wanted something to get it right, running right, reliable. I bought it off a local tuner, not too far from my hometown. But yeah, guys, this is the heart. This is gonna be the heart of the Corolla Maxxecu. You can see it comes with a little handbook. You know, it just shows you everything you need to know about programming, how to set it up. Here's the diagram. We're gonna be wiring it up ourselves. It's not a plug and play for my engine setup, at least. You know, you could hook it up for any Honda, any other 4-cylinder, but I know there's a couple plug and play setups for Honda engines. But here's the ECU itself, guys. Comes with a micro USB for plugging it into your laptop. But here's the ECU, guys. Nothing special. Small, isn't it? Little small ECU. This thing will do magic. It's gonna work its magic. You know, the goal is to get it wired up this week. Hopefully get it done by this weekend. Probably get it tuned, take it to the dyno. That's gonna be a whole separate video, taking it to the dyno. But here's all the wiring, guys. Bunch of wires. This is gonna clean up the engine bay so much more than what it is now. But yeah, guys, it's all color coded. Just follow the diagram and you'll get it perfect. You know, wiring's a headache, but we're gonna get it done. That's for sure. Yeah, guys, that's the plug. Goes into the ECU. Plug the harness in. It'll be set. Came with two stickers. Probably put this on a toolbox or something. Yeah, guys, that's the ECU, the new engine management for the Corolla, El Gonzo, as many of my friends know. Anybody around me knows that's the name of the car. You know, if you guys follow me on Instagram, Corolla, I'll put it in right there. I update a lot on there. I'm active, constantly active on Instagram. You guys want to give me a follow, ask me any questions you want on there. I know I don't have many subscribers on here, but I just wanted to show you guys what I got. Now that the car's running, I could go up there. I could go back there, start the car up. It runs perfect. I mean, it doesn't run perfect, but it starts up. It needs a tune for sure. The stock ECU is not cutting it. But yeah, guys, I know I always say this every video. There's gonna be a lot more content coming soon. Now that the car is actually getting close to being done, I'm gonna pop out to the event, and I'm trying to make it to the event at Maple Grove in May. I don't know what date, May 10th, May 11th. I'll put it in right here. Import Revival, I'm pretty sure it is. I want to make it out to that event, run bracket. see what the car does. I just want to feel it out, you know. But you guys, there's gonna be a lot more content. I hope you guys stay tuned and enjoy. I'll throw a video in that I recorded yesterday of the car running. Finally got the new clutch in. Feels smooth, you know. But yeah, I'll throw that in here. Probably throw it in the beginning of the video, I don't know. But thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. It's your boy Rambo, and I'm out. Peace.